given us so many beautiful things like trees, mountains, rivers, and animals. And in the same way, nature has given us birds as the most beautiful gift. Some can fly and some cannot, and they too live in homes like us. Their homes are called nests. Let us learn about birds and their nests. Learning objectives. In this module, we will understand about importance of a home, importance of nests, places where birds build their nests, types of nests of birds. Joy, do not touch the nest. Birds may get disturbed. Get down. As we live in our home, in the same way birds live in their nests. How will you feel if someone disturbs you in your home? I will get disturbed and feel bad. Similarly, birds may also feel bad. So we should not disturb the birds or break their nests. We should love them and take care of them. Home is important for all of us. Why, Mom? A home protects us from wind, cold, heat, and rain. Thus, home is very important for all animals, birds, and human beings. A nest is the place where birds live, take care of their babies, and lay eggs. Thus, birds build nests so that they have a place to lay their eggs, hatch their eggs, protect and feed their babies until they are ready to fly on their own. Give shelter to their young ones from heat, cold, and rain. Did you know? In India, birds start making nests generally in the month of April. Thus, birds build their nests before the start of summer and monsoon. Birds build their nests in safe places. Most birds build their nests on trees, balcony shelves, ceiling fans, and ventilators. Birds use a variety of materials to make their nests. The material used for making nests depends upon their nesting habits. Some examples are nests with wires and feathers and nests with straw, twigs, and green grass. Sparrow, sunbird, and dove mostly work in pairs to make their nests. Crows use wires and small wooden pieces to make their nests. They build their nests on the topmost branches of trees. Tailor birds use large leaves to make their nests. They stitch the leaves together with the help of their beak, using small twigs as threads. The nest is made cozy by filling cotton, wool, soft grasses, straw, and feathers. Coppersmith or barbet makes its nest in the holes of a tree trunk. The weaver bird weaves its nest out of straw and thin leaves. The nest hangs down from the branch of a tree. On the lower end of the nest, there is an opening for the birds to go in and come out. In weaver birds, it is the male who weaves the nest beautifully in different shapes. Sunbird is also very unique in its nest-making skills. It makes a nest that hangs from the branch of a small tree or a bush. It uses plant fibers, grass, spider webs, and feathers to make its nest. Penguins are flightless birds. They live in very cold regions. They use stones and pebbles to make their nests. Recap. Importance of a home. Places where birds build their nest. Types of nests of birds. Learning outcomes. After going through this module, the learner will be able to tell about the importance of a home, tell about the importance of nests for birds, describe the different types of nests that birds build, describe the ways in which birds build their nests. Activity 1. Fill in the blanks.